There are a lot of new AI tools in the market, and it's almost like every day there is a new to be discovered, right? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 9 exciting AI tools that no one is talking about and that I think that are really, really exciting and that you can start using on your business. Let's get started. Okay, so the first tool is Movable Type.ai. Of course, that this tool is not for everyone, but even if you're not thinking about writing a book right away, I think this whole idea, this whole tool is awesome, right? So basically, this is a tool that helps people write books. You can take a user's idea and turn it into a complete book with a proposal, outline, and marketing plan. You can also generate content, and you can integrate with Google Docs, okay, which is of course awesome. Of course, this is a tool that is designed to help entrepreneurs, to help writers, or anyone that wants to write a book and needs a little bit of guidance or help to get started. So yeah, so this is a tool that's definitely worth checking out. The second tool is TypeA. This is probably one of the best AI tools to help you write better that I've seen nowadays. Okay, so if you are writing content like articles, like blog posts, or any other thing related to like writing, this tool is definitely worth checking out. This is basically like an AI powered tool, document generator and editor. It creates like all different kinds of content, like suggest ideas and rewrite your text. So of course it's different from other AI tools because it's more native. It's a more natural way to write the content that you are creating, right? And also like it has a very cool chat feature that can help you improve your writing. And of course, you can, as with many other AI tools, it integrates with other apps, other tools that even can allows you to work offline, and you can even export like the documents into PDF, Word, Google Docs, and other formats as well. So again, another AI tool in the writing section, which is really, really powerful. So the third tool is Raina. You have probably heard of Calendly before, or if you even maybe use it to help you schedule your meetings. Of course, Calendly is a very powerful tool. I use it in my business, so you can just share your link and people can book a call in a meeting with you on your calendar. But Raina, it's a bit different, right? It's a kind of, as it says, like it's a virtual schedule assistant. So basically you can connect Raina to your calendar, and you can of course set your preferred availability, and then you can just CC Raina on your email thread to help you all this kind of back and forth setting up a meeting with anyone there on your email, right? So like I still of course use Calendly, but most of the times I don't want to just send a Calendly link to someone to book the call. Sometimes it's like just more friendly, just to say, okay, like, are you free Thursday or Friday or something like that? So Raina will help you all this back and forth automatically. It's almost like magic, and it's a really, really powerful tool to help you with this kind of long back and forth, especially if you are trying to book a meeting with more than one people, right? So yeah, this is very powerful, worth checking out. So the fourth tool is Esto. So Esto is a powerful text-to-speech tool, okay, but it's really powerful. It's very different from any other thing that I've seen before, in the way that it's very much real-like in terms of like keeping really everything that you are saying into text. Okay, so if you are one of those people that like to record audios instead of just typing, especially on tools like Slack, even like email or any other online tool, this tool is for you, okay? Because it's a very powerful way to use AI to transcribe your voice notes into text, and it has like many different features here, and it's very fast. So it includes, of course, automatic transcription, real-time typing, and also integrates with other apps, including like email, Slack, and some other ones. You can just download it to your Mac, and I think it's just available for Mac at this point. But anyways, and it has a free version, that you don't need to, of course, to pay to start testing out yourself. So yeah, this is just another powerful way to make you more productive. So instead of typing, you can just record a voice note and it will be transcribed into powerful text. Fifth tool today is DeXa. Okay, this is a bit different too than on the previous ones, but this is very exciting. Like basically what they are doing is they got all the like podcasts, interviews from many trusted experts, and they added into one assistant, which is DeXa, right? So basically you can ask questions to those experts and get answers just like you were kind of talking to them, right? And this is really powerful. So you have a lot of different experts like Tim Ferriss, Lex Friedman, Tom Below, like have many of those experts and divided in different categories. So we have health and fitness, AI and tech, self-improvement, and some other ones that you can just ask questions to them, and the answers are like amazing, because again, they have all this backlog of data, of interviews, of articles, of podcasts from each expert that you can just use it to get their knowledge, to get their expertise in just one tool. So of course, it's still like it's a very new tool, so they're still developing it, but you can still get a lot of insights and ask a lot of questions to those experts to help you solve any issue that you are facing there in any of those topics. So this is definitely worth checking out. And the next one is Cursor. Cursor, of course, this is a bit more tech heavy, I would say. This is for you if you are a coder or if you want to start coding. This is probably one of the best AI code editors that I've seen, that I've used before. Of course, you have some other ones like Copilot and other like popular ones, but this is one of the fastest way to have like a code assistant here when you are building your code or when you're building your software. Okay, it can basically understand your project and also answer questions about your code base, which is amazing. And of course, it can generate code from scratch and also suggest like any kind of edits or changes that you need to do in your code. And one of the best features of these tools is like its ability to really understand the context and of course complete like complex tasks. So that's why it's different from any other tool, similar tool that I've seen in the market. So if you are a coder, if you want to start write your own code, you should definitely check it out, Cursor, to help you with that. Okay, the next one is Beautiful AI. So if you build a lot of presentations, a lot of slides, this is definitely one of the best AI-powered presentation tool that I've seen. So you can really like just ask some questions and the tool will build the entire slide for you. So like as you're seeing like some examples here, you can just ask questions. Of course, they have an assistant and they can get real-time data from the market and create slides like this one here. So it's amazing because not only you can get real-time data, but also it helps you build slides way faster than let's say the traditional way of using Google Slides or some other tools, right? So if you are building presentations, that you should definitely try Beautiful AI because it will help you build things faster. And also not only like the process of building the slide itself, but as it's connected to, of course, the AI assistant, real-time data, it helps you with all this kind of back and forth in terms of searching for data on the internet, on Google or in any other tool, and getting that data adding to your slide. So all this back and forth goes away with this amazing AI tool. Our next one is AllRight AI. So if you are a content creator, if you like to record videos, or even if you have if you want to use videos from other creators, videos, or even like podcasts, this tool will convert all the videos into blog articles. So this is a nice way to make sure that you are taking the most out of the content that you are creating. So you can get a video like this one and you can convert it into a blog post. So you can also optimize for SEO, for example, right? So make sure that you are repurposing your own content into different formats. So you can just upload a YouTube video and you're gonna see the magic happening, creating those articles from the video, from the podcast that you have there. And last but not least is Factors AI. This is a, let's say, sales engagement platform. So of course, this is not just an AI tool. This is more as a, let's say, like a B2B, as they mentioned, like account intelligence platform, right? You can, for example, identify companies that are visiting your website. You can identify the company. You can identify the people inside those companies. You can track customer journeys, and you can even measure ROI. Of course, that they use AI behind it to deliver like this powerful platform to you, so you can take the most advantage of all your sales channels that you have in your company. And definitely use these two to increase like conversion rate. I mean, to make sure that you are going after the right type of lead and make sure that you are improving your pipeline deal volume. Okay, so I've started using it in my own agency and the results have been great. So I'm excited with like more that this tool can offer. So definitely worth checking out, because and also, of course, it integrates with a lot of different tools out there. So you can also build like some automations using it. So yeah, this is a very nice tool with a lot of different features that can definitely help you take the most of your marketing and sales efforts. If you like this video, you're gonna love this one here, where I show you how you can combine AI with automation to build real powerful systems. Thank you.